Hi, this is Ray from 4x4 Shop. Today we install BMW Android 10.25 for 2009 BMW 1 Series, and the car doesn't come with screen. And we install the handle backup camera for this vehicle. Right now we take a look at the system that we install. This vehicle comes with auxiliary, so please make sure your vehicle equipped with auxiliary options on the vehicle.
This car stays here. Don't forget the audio also.
And this is the screen we install on this 1 Series. This is the cutting dash for 1 Series 2009. After we install, it's fully fit on the dash. And now we can check the backup camera by going to reverse, and still when you turn the wheel, the guidelines follow the steering wheel to turn. When you go back to dry, it will go back to the Android main menu. Because this vehicle doesn't come with original screen and original systems, and so once you click on car info, it shows you the clock. But once you touch the screen, then you can go to the Android side and you have navigation, Bluetooth, music, video, and the dashboard. So the dashboard will still show the speed and the RPM from the vehicle. And by touching the screen and go back, you can have all the apps. You can download the apps from Play Store, and also you can do wired CarPlay and wireless CarPlay on this unit. And here is the navigations. And please make sure when you using the Android system, go to the auxiliary mode on your BMW multimedia systems. Stay on the aux, then you can have sound from this Android unit. If you're interested on this device, please give us a call, 905-604-4294, to have more further information. Thank you for watching.